Hey fellow YouTubers, it's me, and I'm back with my completed P38 model. You might remember I bought this at that antique shop early last week. And you might also remember that I said I was going to build the droop snoot version, but that version didn't have any armament on it. And when I got to looking at all the cool armament this one had, I changed my mind. You know, the rocket tubes and the bombs. I figured it'd be a shame to waste all that cool looking armament. So I went ahead and built this version. And it went together pretty easy. These missiles here under the wing, they were kind of a pain. Because you can see there's only two little contact points between the missiles and the launchers, the launching rails. And it was a real pain to hold those missiles with a pair of tweezers while the glue set up on those little contact points, you know. They were constantly twisting and turning. And it was a pain to hold them steady long enough for the glue to set up. But I did it. Oh yeah, and you'll notice I finally got myself a turntable too. I was glad of that. Yeah, if you look close, you can see I painted the exhaust ports on the backs of the missiles there. Painted them black. So this makes my 5th P38 that I've got now. It's one of my favorite planes, in case you haven't guessed. Yeah, I just got done putting the last decals on it there a few minutes ago, and there was quite a few too. If you look close, you can see all the little no step decals on the flaps and all the little black stenciling decals in other places. There was a bunch of those to put on. You can see the little red circles. More stenciling decals. Yeah, it took about all evening just to put the decals on it. So there it is. And I guess now I'll probably work on my Tirpitz battleship, seeing as how that all at sea group build is still going on. I think I just might start working on it next. So that's it for now, and we'll see you next time.